Help support the companies that support our community. After sanding the piece to 600 with the walnut oil, I turned it around on the lathe to finish the bottom. I used a piece of dowel kind of as a jam chuck. I just turned it down a little bit so it fit inside nice and snug, and then I brought the tailstock up to center it all up. I finished shaping it with the #1 hollower and came around the bottom and cupped it out a little bit so it would sit nice and flat. I finished sanding that and then cut off the nub and cleaned it all up. And there it is. So it's a Bing cherry. It's about 11 inches tall and 5.5 inches in diameter. And this is another piece I got from Trevor. I'll put a link down below in the description to his Instagram page. Just go check it out. Just a beautiful piece of wood. And it is still a little bit green, but I've had it for a while, so I don't think it's gonna split or crack on me. It's and I took the heart, when I cut the heart out of it, so this is off to the side of that heart. But when you're laying it out too, what I did is when I had it there, I was trying to figure out exactly what was going to be taken off of it. I knew I had to make the foot and the neck on it, so I was kind of figuring out exactly which was going to be the top, which was going to be the bottom. So it's kind of a little bit, you got to look at the piece of wood. And it is heavy. It's still, I didn't hollow it out. And the reason I didn't is I didn't want to pop through. This one goes almost to the center, and I didn't want it to come through and have a hole there. These ones in here are pretty deep too. So I just drilled a hole down in it, cleaned it up as much as I could. I didn't, on this part here, I really like that shape, the way it goes down there. So I didn't come in here, and I could have hollowed it out actually a little bit more, but it would have made this just open up too much, and I just wasn't looking at it. I wasn't happy with that shape, what it was gonna look like if I kept going, so I just stopped right there. But it's a beautiful piece of a Bing cherry. Just beautiful wood. I don't think I've ever turned that wood before, but I really like the way it came out. Yeah, very cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe and like button, and we will be back next week with another project. All right, take care.